Here we are entering Pawtucket, Rhode Island, which is directly north of Providence. Here are a few of the biggest employers in the state, so these would be economic assets. Hasbro, they make toys. This is the Blackstone River, a major physical asset of Pawtucket. Without this energy, the textile mills wouldn't have been able to operate. This is right at Slater Mill. The architectural landscape in downtown Pawtucket is actually really beautiful. I did part of the walking tour that the Pawtucket Foundation created. It's available on their website. This is Quality Hill, which is just over 95 in the river from downtown Pawtucket. A lot of big old buildings. Keep driving eastward is Slater Park, big open green space, some historical buildings, pond, dog park, carousel. What else do they have? Fall Fest. This is where the Slater Park Festival is. And 95, the interstate, goes right smack dab through the middle of the city. And here is as it goes over the Blackstone River. This is Festival Pier, which is right on the Blackstone River as it turns into the Seekonk River, which empties out into the most northern point of Narragansett Bay. Pawtucket has a diverse cultural heritage and assets. There's a big Cape Verdean population. Ten Rocks is the best. It's a big Portuguese population as well. Hope Artiste Village and Lorain Mills are two huge industrial mills that were renovated and rehabbed into mixed-use spaces, work studios, etc. This is the Grant Building. There's a group that went in and renovated the space, a few different studios and shops.